In this video, I'll show you how to export in high quality in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your computer and load the project you want to export. Before exporting, play the video from the beginning and check that your edits, text, audio, effects, and transitions all look correct. Now click the export button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the export settings window where you can choose the quality for your final video. Start with the resolution setting. For most videos, choose 1080p because it gives a clear, high-quality result and works well for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. If your original footage was recorded in 4K and you want the best quality, choose 4K as long as your computer can handle it. Next, check the bitrate setting. If CapCut gives you options like low, recommended, or high, choose high for better quality. A higher bitrate keeps more detail in the video, especially if there is fast movement, gaming footage, or colorful effects. After that, set the frame rate. It is usually best to match the frame rate of your original video. For example, if your footage was recorded at 30 frames per second, export at 30 frames per second. If it was recorded at 60 frames per second, choose 60 frames per second for smoother motion. Then choose the video format. MP4 is the best option for most users because it works on almost every platform and device. You can also choose where the file will be saved on your computer. Pick a folder that is easy to find and rename the file if needed. Before clicking export, make sure your video does not have unnecessary compression settings turned on. For the cleanest result, use high resolution, high bitrate, and the correct frame rate. Finally, click export and wait for CapCut to render your video. When it finishes, open the exported file and watch a few parts to make sure the quality looks sharp and the audio sounds correct. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.